to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And we're looking at pound Swiss right now, guys, on the 3-hour and on the daily chart. What I wanted to do on this video is I wanted to show you guys how I choose the best pairs to trade for that day or even for that week, for whatever week you're trading. All right. So here are the things that I look for to tell me, hey, this is going to be a good pair to trade this particular week. So looking at pound Swiss, what I like to do is I like to split the screen up into a 3-hour chart and to a daily chart. And so what I'm looking for on the 3-hour chart is basically I'm looking for pairs that are coming off a brand new peak formation, right? That's the simplest way that I find brand new pairs to trade for the week is I just look at the different pairs on the 3-hour time frame and take a look and see which ones are brand new or have a brand new peak formation, whether it's peak formation high or whether it's peak formation low. Now, once that part of it is selected, so for example on pound Swiss we can see we're coming off brand new peak formation low, I take a look at that same pair on the daily. And what I'm looking for on the daily chart is I'm looking for that pair to have space to actually run. All right, so I'm looking at on the daily, where is the closest daily structure where market makers are likely to take price to grab orders. And so for me, when I look at the daily on this, the very first area that I see is obviously this right here. Okay, we have all of this space here to play with. All right, so that tells me that there's a very good chance, all right, that we have a clear run to the top here. Okay, to, let's say 1.140. All right, just to make it easy to as far as numbers go. All right, so we're coming off a peak formation low on the 3-hour time frame, and then on the daily we have cleared out the closest structure, which is here, right? These highs here, we've cleared them out. So now all I'm looking for now are buy signals, buy setups on pound Swiss. And in particular, obviously, we're looking for anything that's a buy setup. So it could be, let's say, a pullback that gives you like a type 1 setup or whatever it gives me. Regardless, I'm looking for buy setups, but I know that on the higher time frame, I have the space to be able to grab those setups. Okay. So here's another example. Here's euro pound coming off a reset on the 3-hour time frame. And on the daily, you can see that we have some room to run down lower. All right, the closest structure on this daily for me is going to be somewhere in this area. Okay, so we have some room to play with. All right, now if we look on the 3-hour time frame, the ideal scenario that I'm looking at is really for price action to come down into this area of, let's say, 87,400. Okay, basically these lows here on the daily time frame. Okay, on the 3-hour time frame is basically anywhere where this peak formation low is, where this previous peak formation low is. That's where we have some actual structure that we can go down to. Most importantly, that we can complete a full cycle, because that's also going to be important as well. So if you just measure this out from the reset down and get your 3 times ADR or around that range. So if we go down to the 1-hour time frame so we can get our ADR, you can see that this is averaging about 55 pips or so, 165 at minimum on this pair to run down, right? So if we take a look here, 165 is going to be right around these lows here, but we can run another 20 pips and be well within our range of 2.5 to 4.5 times ADR for full cycle. So this gives us some room to play with and to work down and continue to look for sell setups. All right, so I'll be looking for sell setups on this particular pair for the upcoming couple days here to see if we can get some sell setups on this. Another example is like pound JPY on the 3-hour chart, you're coming right off a brand new reset. You can see on the daily here, we've broken right past this structure here, let's say at around 161,750 or so, and we've broken higher than that, right? So my next target on this would likely be somewhere, let's say 168,500 or so up here on the daily. So we have some very good room to work with. This pair is moving at about 160 per day, right? So 3 times ADR is going to be about 480. Okay. So guys, I hope this short video brought you some value. I hope it gave you some insight as to how I pick the pairs that I'm trading for that week, what I'm looking for, to look at pairs that are going to hopefully produce the best possible setups that are going in my directional bias. Guys, if you like this content, do me a favor, like the particular video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below, is this the way that you find your trade setups for the day or for the week? How do you find your specific trade setups for the upcoming week? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Until the next video, have a great day. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.